Well, hello out there, YouTubers and all my subscribers. Just want to show you a new radio that I've got. No, not that. That's my 2950DX. I wanted to show you this. SBE Touch 40. Well, you're asking, well, where's the channel display at? Well, we'll show you that in a minute. But that's the meter. CB, PA, noise blanker, limiter, distance and local. You've seen those before. Delta tune, tone. Where is all that stuff? He said, how do you turn the volume up and down? Well, I'm going to show you. But first, we got to turn the radio on, and we'll pick the microphone up. And as you can see, everything is in the microphone. Push to talk, channel display, up down buttons, volume, and squelch.
What more can you expect? With a 105 alternator.
Also, this is not only the on-off switch, it's also your mic gain. Kind of a beautiful radio. See how thick this microphone cord is? Well, there's 23 wires going through that microphone to the inside. This thing is full of IC chips. That's for another video. Just wanted to show you this, my new toy. And thanks for watching. And if anybody has any information on this, such as a owner's manual or anything like that, please let me know. I can't find one anywhere. Thanks for watching. And have a great day.